me again. What am I doing? Trying out my new drawer. Check out my videos, you'll see it. This is going to go in the garbage. What am I doing? I have a tool review, but it's not a new tool. It's a quite old one. This is a Dewalt. Let me close the box. Make it look prettier. It's a Dewalt. What is it? DCS551B. It's a rotary tool. What else? Drywall cutout tool. Tool only. Where'd I get it? Bought it at a pawn shop. We do drywall soon. Gotta cut holes in it. So, bought me a drywall tool. It looks. I paid $37 for it. It's a Robeck, whatever the hell it was. It's got plenty of drywall in it. It works. I tried it out. It's missing. It's missing the little thing about bobber. It goes in the top here. But for they're $59 in Canada. So it works. Does the job. Anyway, basically you cut holes in drywall. It's also missing the tool here. It locks. It might come off. I don't know. So yeah, it works. 20 volt max. I've never used one in my life. I tried it out, brought a battery to the place, and it did the job. It's got drywall dust everywhere in this thing. It's in there, in here, in the side, everywhere. So I'm guessing I'm probably gonna, since it's not under warranty, I'm gonna crack it open, take the shell off, and clean the hell out of it, because it's got the dusties everywhere in there. Crusty. I'm gonna take a brush. I'll probably get some. I know I shouldn't do this, but some little bit of alcohol, 99% alcohol, or cleaning alcohol, and just clean it all off and it evaporates. Wipe it down, because it's going to burn out. What I do it for, what I get it for, one, it was cheap, one, it works. And if I'm only going to use this tool for one house, and I have no idea what else maybe I could use it for a hand router, for I don't know, carving wood or something. I don't know. I don't think it's designed for that. It's probably too slow. If I'm going to use it for a couple of drywall cuts, I'm not paying $150. If I'm probably never going to use this again. So that's pretty much my thing. It's pretty cool though. It's like a handheld. I don't know. It's like the size of a beer. Cool. I don't know why I'm breathing so heavy today. I don't know why. I can hear myself going crazy. Anyway, Dewalt. Yeah, I like yellow tools. If it was in Milwaukee and I had batteries, I'd buy that too. Came with a box. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep the box, put it in the box, and that's my big tool review for this video. Hope you'll keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me, I don't know, leave a comment. Tell me about yourself. Tell me the videos that need help. If you know how to use this tool and have a suggestion, video, or some suggestion, whatever, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Toodles.